Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you'll subscribe before you go if you're new here, and that you give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, tell me what's going on. Check around for giveaways because I'm always having giveaways, and this week is my 8-year blogiversary. So anyway, today we're doing a lavender eye with the Viseart Cool Mats 2. I know I had a lot of questions when I first bought this, and I filmed like 3 videos, but I didn't like my hair. You know how it goes. And so anyway, I did a get ready with me today, and I hope you'll enjoy it, and so just keep watching. It says every color that you need for a cool eye. Has the best purples, like my favorite purples. Esum W23, gonna go under the brow. And I'll probably do it again later to blend my color once I have color on there. Isn't that perfect? If you want more of a fleshy color, a nude color, you can mix these. You know, you can mix anything together. Smith 230. I'm gonna dip this and this together to create my crease. And then I'm going to blend them in the lid to blend them into my brush. I'm going to try to go light on the crease today, but I blend this up and out a little bit for some eye shape. I like to pat it, my color down a little bit and then blend it out so I don't get big patches. I mean, Viseart blends really well, but in the past when I started doing makeup, mats were very patchy, and if you just put your brush down and try to blend, you would get a big patch there. So old habits die hard. I'm going to take an Esum W21, and I'm going to go in with this middle color, and I'm going to do 2/3 of the eye. I'm going to follow up with a Smith 247 so that I can kind of blend it into the lid, or blend it a little into the crease. I'm going to go back with my Smith W21, and I'm going to take this darker purple and I'm going to do the outside of my V. Blend it in here so I don't drop it all. I want to blend the tail up just a little, so I'm going to use my Smith 230 that I used before with the crease shade and blend it up just a little. Just blending it around in little circles there. I don't want it too high up because I want a light look today. I know. My tendency is to just go hard and hide that hood, but I don't know, these are such pretty colors that I just like them to be light and air. This little Esum powder puff to pull my lid up some without messing up everything I got going on there. Because even though when my eye is down, I mean, you know, when my brow is normal right now, you can't see in the crease. I still want some color in there where it's going to wrinkle, even though you can't see it. These powder puffs are from Muse Beauty Pro, Esum brand, and this way you don't screw up your makeup. Helps when you're doing your eyeliner too, because you can get, you know, because you can get in there with your liner and you don't screw it up. I'm going to take my MAC 242 and I'm going to use this lavender. I love this color. I love it. I love that color. I need some more of this middle color right here. I can see that. I think I'm going to use this dark blue and put it as a little elf liner. I do not recommend it. It kind of sucks. I don't like it because it doesn't hold color well. Why am I using it? Because it was there. I'm going to put this in really close to the lashes. Blue will make anybody's eye color look brighter, will make it pop, so it's always a good color to use as a tight line or as a liner. I decided I wanted a little bit more of this blue in the outer. I'm going to take a really small brush. I think I'm going to take this MAC pencil brush. Oh, this is a Beauty Junkees pencil brush. It's right in between the two sizes of crown brush I have. I want a little bigger than the smaller one and a little smaller than the bigger one. I'm going to take just a little bitty bit of that. I think I want a little more depth in my crease. I know, don't screw it up, right? I'm going to go in with my Crown 528, this little brush here, and take a little bit more of this. Draw a little bit more depth. This is my Sephora number 38. I'm going to take a little bit of this white and a little bit of this tan, blend them together, and blend between my crease and my highlight. Let's take the Pixi Velvet Violet Silky Eye Cream, Silky Eye Pen it's called, it's a pencil, and do the underneath the eye here on the waterline. I'm going to take my MAC pencil brush and I'm going to go in with this violet on the outer V underneath. This is a crown brush from a 5-piece crown brush set. A little bit of the white, a little bit of the lavender. I'm going to go on the inner corner with it. And then I'm going to put a highlighter up there anyway, but I just want a little bit of the lavender hue. I want something kind of plummy for blush, so I'm going to use this, which is from the Anastasia Blush Trio in Pool Party. I got this during the Ulta sale. I hope it's good because I never used it before, so we're going to see. I also blend my blushes into the plastic thing so that I don't get a big spot of blush, and tap lightly as I go. And then blend. Yeah, that'll work. I'm going to set everything before I do mascara and before I do highlighter with the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist. Oh, it smells so good. It's the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist. So while it's setting, I want a tight line, and I want to do my tight line in blue. I'm going to use the Stilazzi gel liner to tight line. This is Sapphire. I'll be using my Esum T05 for the tight line. I wonder if I could do it here. No, that'd be stupid. I think I want a light pop of pink here. I'm going to use the Viseart Rose Coral blush palette, and I'm going to go right up here for just a little pop on my apples. I use Makeup Geek Celestial, which has a little bit of violet to it, but I want a really light application, so I'm using a fan brush. I know, I can't help it. Up under the brow. I love that. Buxom Plum Line and Hush Hush and Evening Rose Liquid Lipstick by Pixi. I want a little bit of a violet tinted gloss to tie my rosy lips and my lavender eyes together. So I'm taking Buxom Holographic in Selena. Just want a little iridescence. It smells so good. It smells so good. Anyway, that's the look. Easy lavender eyes. If you have any questions about the Cool Mats too, just let me know. I think it's so versatile. I just love it. It's one of my best purchases of the year. And so that's it, you guys. Thanks for stopping in. I hope you'll subscribe before you go. And leave me a thumbs up. Tell me what your favorite colors to wear on your eyes are. Thanks for watching.